Hello, this is Michelle, CEO of Fold and Go Wheelchairs. We are always looking for the latest and greatest innovation, and if we can't find it, we build it. Our customers have been asking for this leg lift. The problem that we had was everything at Fold and Go folds and goes, meaning you can fold the chair up with the cup holder, accessories, headlight, tail light, anything, day pack, anything that you want to put on the chair, you can leave it mounted and fold and go. The problem with the leg lift is you have to remove it to fold and go. And you usually need a bunch of tools and contraptions to do that. So what we did, we came the closest thing we could to fold and go. Basically no assembly required, no tools, no gadgets, nothing. All you have to do is take this bracket and you're going to slide it in to the footrest of the chair. Then you're going to take your leg lift, you're going to hook it on, slide it into place, and there you go. It's super easy to raise and lower. You just pull down this strap and set it wherever you want to go. It comes with a pair, one for each side. When you want to put the chair in the car, all you have to do is release this button, pull this out, no hardware. Ta-da! Another innovation of Fold and Go Wheelchairs.